6 minutes. That's how long it took me to send my last customer in Marlboro a complete solar proposal. 25 years savings projection, SREC income, exact payback to the month, full equipment list, published to a private link on his phone. Now, Sunrun has 100 salespeople. I have 15 years and every AI tool I could find or build. And I want to tell you exactly what that setup looks like because I think homeowners deserve to know how their solar installer operates. And because the answer is going to surprise you. Hey folks, it's John from MySolarHome. I've personally overseen more than 1,600 solar installations in New Jersey and Pennsylvania over 15 years. And over the last 2 years, I've built something alongside all of that. I set up AI tools that run almost every operational part of this business. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how that works and how I use it and what it means for the quality of advice that you get from this channel. Stay with me because at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you the 5 things AI still cannot do in the business. And those 5 things, they're the only ones that actually matter when you're deciding whether to spend $25,000 on solar. Let me start with the obvious, the proposal, because that 6-minute number is real and I want to explain it to you. When a homeowner reaches out to me, whether they found me through YouTube, a referral, or a Google search, I get with them on a call. We talk about their home, their utility bills, what they're trying to accomplish. Then I get off the phone and within minutes, I have a full proposal in their inbox. Here's how that works. First, I use a tool connected to Google Solar API. It analyzes satellite imagery of your roof, calculates every available solar surface, eliminates shading from trees and neighbors, and gives me a production estimate before I've set foot on your property. I enter your system size, your utility rate, your annual usage. A system I built calculates your 25-year savings, your New Jersey SREC incomes. That's $85 per megawatt hour paid for 15 years, and that's locked in right at the registration. Your monthly bill gets impacted every year. It accounts for rate increases. The proposal generates automatically and publishes to a private link that I sent to you. That proposal used to take me hours to build by hand. Now it takes me minutes. The tool handles the math, but the inputs, sizing judgment, the decision about what equipment to recommend, whether the roof section I'm designing around is actually worth designing around, that's still mine. 15 years of doing this means I know when a number looks off. I know when a satellite image is lying about shading. I know when a roof pitch is going to cost someone production that their installer isn't accounting for. AI doesn't know any of that, but I know what to tell it. Now let me show you the rest of it. I manage over 4,800 contacts in my custom CRM that I built. Every homeowner who's ever reached out to me or to my business, every follow-up, every note, every conversation is tracked, searchable, and organized. When I run an outreach campaign to past customers about referrals or new services, I can reach 600 people in a week without hiring anyone. I built that system because I don't want to lose track of a single person who took the time to contact me. When I research what videos to make next, which solar topics are getting traction, what questions people are searching for, what the competition is doing, AI tools pull that data automatically and surface what's actually working right now, not what worked 2 years ago. I read what the competitors are doing. I look at what formats are driving views, watch time, and use that to decide what to film next. The research that used to take a full day now takes an hour. For this channel specifically, the graphics and the charts that you see on the screen, I generated through an AI pipeline I built. I describe what I need, a payback comparison, a bill breakdown, a before and after calculation, and the system produces the visual. My editor uses it in the video. I create a first draft of the script and the AI helps me review it for errors or omissions. I review everything. I fact check every number. I change anything that doesn't sound right or isn't accurate. The final output is now done in a day thanks to the AI tools that help me with all that grunt work. Now let's talk about other solar companies and how they're leveraging AI now. Every solar company in the country is starting to use AI. The difference is what they're using it for. The big nationwide installers, the companies that run TV ads and knock on your doors, they're using AI to optimize their sales funnels. They're A/B testing which fear-based subject lines and get more email opens. They're using predictive models to identify which zip codes have homeowners most likely to sign in the next 90 days. They're training AI chatbots to keep you engaged until a commission salesperson can get to you. They're using AI to sell you harder. I am using AI to serve you more efficiently. That's a real difference. The tools I've made make me faster. They don't change what I recommend. A system that doesn't make sense for your house doesn't make sense because I used AI to reach. And now, the 5 things that AI cannot do. And this is the part I want you to actually remember. 1, it cannot stand on your roof and tell you the south-facing section has some structural issues that's going to cost you $4,000 or $5,000 to fix before we can even put panels in it. I've seen that and I've saved customers from that. 2, it cannot hear that your utility company has just filed a rate case that's going to change your net metering structure and tell you how that affects the proposal we just talked about. Policies move. AI is working from what it knew yesterday. 3, it cannot read someone else's solar code and spot the equipment substitution clause on page 12 that legally allows the installer to swap your panels for a different brand on install day. I read those contracts. I know what to look for. It cannot look at your specific roof, your pitch, your tree line, your southern obstruction, the shade, and tell you that the production estimate in your quote is optimistic by 20%. I can tell you that because I've been on roofs like yours in Toms River, in Princeton, and in Hamilton. 5, it cannot tell you to walk away from a solar purchase that doesn't make sense for you. A system that maximizes my revenue would never suggest that. I do it because I've been doing this for 15 years now, and I know the math that works and the math that doesn't. And I am not going to put a system on your home that doesn't make sense. Those 5 things are still mine, and in my opinion, they're the only 5 that actually matter when you're making a $25,000 decision. So here's where I leave you. The tools are AI, the research, the proposals, the outreach, the production. AI makes all of that faster and more thorough. I'm transparent about that because I think you deserve to know, because I don't think it should concern you. What should concern you, what you should be asking every solar installer before you sign is what they actually know. How many roofs have they been on? Whether they tell you no when you need to hear no. Whether they understand solar technologies and incentives, or whether they're just reciting a brochure. 15 years and 1,600 installed means I know the difference between a solid project and a problem I don't want to put my name on. No AI tool gave me that, and no AI tool can take that away. If you're in New Jersey or Pennsylvania and you want to run through the numbers on your home, real numbers, not a pitch, reach out to me. Email me at solar@mysolarhome.us or text 609-908-3700 or visit mysolarhome.us. I'll get you a proposal in about 6 minutes. What you do with it after that is up to you. Hit like if this was more honest than you expected. Subscribe if you want more of it, and drop a comment below. I always want to know your questions and about AI and solar. I'll read everyone and reply to everyone. Thank you and have a nice one.